the right wing had been folded forward because the anchor point for the tie down in the ground had failed and allowed it to come untied and lift that wing up and push it forward. Some couple of good Samaritans had noticed it when it first happened and managed to secure the airplane though and keep it from flipping the airplane over. Pretty upsetting. It's been down for some maintenance issues for a while now, and it's really hoping to put the engine back on it this spring and get back to flying it. But I think it's going to be a little longer than that now. So.